Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing the Summa Logicae chapter 12 on names of first and second intension. We're going to start with some of the attributes of conceptual terms. One is that they are impressions on the soul, that is, they are the direct impression on you that is made by the thing they signify. So the tree makes a direct impression on your soul, so does a book, and those impressions naturally signify those objects, which also means they can't be changed. The impression on you made by a book cannot be changed somehow to become an impression of a tree the way that the verbal, like the spoken words could. Like you could hypothetically use the word tree to express what we mean by book, but you can't play this flip-flop with your conceptual terms. Now, second, we have these theories of conceptual terms that Occam goes over, and he offers three. The first is something that is made or constructed by the soul. The second is a quality in the soul distinct from the act of understanding. And then finally, the third theory of conceptual terms is just the act of understanding. So your act of understanding is the conceptual term. Now, this is the first use I've seen in this book of Occam actually explicitly using his favorite shaving tool, Occam's razor. And he says that the third account here should be preferred because there's nothing that the first two accounts offer that the third account does not equally explain. So the third account is to be preferred, which is to say that conceptual terms just are the act of understanding of the thing that they represent. Now we get to first intentions. This is an intention which signifies something that is not itself an intention of the soul. So it signifies anything except an intention of the soul. Or a conceptual term, that is. And then Occam goes on to split this into catagrammatic and syncatagrammatic first intentions. He says, in a broad sense, you can include both catagrammatic and syncatagrammatic words, but there's a narrower sense which only includes the catagrammatic ones. And then, yeah. And then finally, we have second intentions, which are intentions in the soul, which are signs of first intentions. So when you think about your thinking, that's a second intention. And that's going to be all for this episode. Thanks for listening.